Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to enable age restrictions so that only people aged 24 and over can view your content on Facebook using your PC. This is a useful feature if you want more control over who interacts with your posts, especially if you prefer a more mature audience. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Go ahead and click on Settings to access your account's main settings page. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Look for Followers and Public Content and click on it. This section controls who can follow you and how your public posts are managed. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Age Restrictions. This is where you can decide the minimum age of people who are allowed to see your public content. Click on this option, and a selection menu will appear. Choose people 24 and over from the list. This setting ensures that only users who meet that age requirement can view your posts and follow your public activity. After selecting the correct age restriction, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. If you skip this step, your settings won't be updated. For example, if you regularly share content meant for a more mature audience, this feature helps filter out younger viewers automatically, giving you more peace of mind. And that's it. You've successfully set your Facebook account to limit visibility to users aged 24 and above. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your online presence.